Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve the mass volume problems. So 1 mole of any gas equals 22.4 liters at STP, and 1 mole of any gas is equals to molecular mass of gas equals to 22.4 liters at STP. So let's begin. Number 1, mass volume problem. So calculate the volume of oxygen produced at STP by decomposition of 10 grams of potassium chloride. So first step, we need to decompose the potassium chlorate. So KClO3 reacts to potassium chloride plus oxygen gas. So you need to balance the equation. So you need to put 3 here, 3 coefficient here, and 2 here. So it's 2, and 2 here too. So it's already balanced. And the formula mass of potassium chlorate is equals to 123 grams per mole of potassium chlorate. Okay, so we need to solve the volume. So calculate the volume. The question is calculate the volume of oxygen. So let's begin. Solution. So the volume of oxygen is equals to, we have a 10 grams here. So 10 grams of potassium chlorate. 10 grams of potassium chlorate. So I forgot to put here 10 grams of potassium chlorate. So you need to put 10 grams of potassium chlorate times the molecular weight, which is 123 grams of potassium chlorate, and 1 mole of potassium chlorate times 2 moles of potassium chlorate. So divided by 2 moles and potassium chlorate, and times the 3 moles of oxygen gas here. It's a 3 moles. So 3 moles of oxygen gas times the volume STP, which is 22.4 liters of oxygen gas over 1 mole of oxygen gas. So cancel out the grams, moles, and the moles of oxygen and moles of oxygen. So volume of oxygen gas equals to, so 10 divided by 123 times 3 divided 2 times 22.4 over 1 is equals to 2.73 liters of oxygen gas. So this is your final answer. Alright, how about in problem number 2? So in problem number 2, what mass of magnesium will react with excess hydrochloric acid to produce 500 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas at STP? So number 2, here we have 500 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas. 500 cubic centimeters. So volume of hydrogen gas is equals to 500 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas. So the magnesium will react with hydrochloric acid. So you need to make a balance equation. Chemical reaction from magnesium plus hydrochloric acid reacts to magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So chlorine has not balanced here, so you need to put two coefficient here, so it's already balanced. And the question is, we need to find the mass of magnesium. Mass of magnesium. So it's a mass. So mass of magnesium is equals to, we have a volume here which is 500 cubic centimeter. So 500 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas times the STP volume, which is 22.4 liters of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of hydrogen gas, times 1 mole of hydrogen gas here, so 1 mole of hydrogen gas, and then 1 mole of magnesium here, so it's 1 mole of magnesium, times the molecular weight of magnesium. So the formula mass of magnesium is equals to 24.31 grams per mole of magnesium. So from 1 mole of magnesium and then 24.31 grams of magnesium. So you need, and then times again of multiply liters to cubic centimeter in 1 liter, and we have 1000 cubic centimeter. So cancel out the cubic centimeter here the liters here cancel, the moles of magnesium and the moles of hydrogen gas, and the left is the grams of magnesium. So mass of magnesium is equals to 500 divided by 22.4 liters times 24.31 over 1 times 1 over 1000 is equals to 0.452 0.542 grams of magnesium. So this is your final answer. Alright, let's continue in number 3.